Hey YouTube, this is not a how-to video. I just wanted to give you a little info on these front tweeters for the X300 models that are non-premium sound and is non-XJR, because the XJRs have the tweeter in different locations. There's plenty of videos on how to remove the speakers in the doors, but I couldn't find anything on these tweeters, so I'm going to show you real quick how they're mounted in and how to get them out. So there's two of them, one here and there's one over there. There's also some in the back, but I haven't looked at those yet, so no video on that right now. But they look like this, and I've been told that they use filtering instead of an active crossover. It looks like there's a little bit going on there. Maybe that's the filtering. The way you get it out is you're first going to pry this up, and you're going to pry it up by the edges here and here, not in the middle, but here and here, and then just pull it out of the way slightly. Then this trim panel, there's two of them obviously, it is held in by one screw here. Now you're not going to really get a screwdriver on that, so what I suggest is a bit, Phillips bit, and a 1/4-inch wrench, and you're going to put that bit up here and you're going to slowly work it out, being very careful not to drop it. Then you're going to push this in. So if it's over here, you're going to push it in this way. If it's on the other side, you're going to do the opposite, and you're going to just pull it on out at that point. So this is the clip. This is why you need to slide it in, and this is what it looks like over here. Well, let me look at it from the top. You got to get it over this clip here. All right, so let's look at how big this thing is, because I know people might be interested in that. Where is... Here we are. It's very small, I can tell you that right now. Looks like 35 millimeters. Yep. And then the mounting looks like this. Alright, and I'm taking mine out because I'm going to cut these wires, because I've got aftermarket speakers in here, and I want to make sure that these are not interfering with that, because these are two ways. Anyways, I'm off.